Okay, we're at it again. Box 16. And we're going to take a quick peek at it and see what's in here. Again, wrapped really, really well. Lots of USPS postage packaging. Oops, and it's opened up a bit. So we've got 6.3 pounds. Ooh. 2 pounds, 2 ounces, which I'm guessing is what's on the bottom. Ooh. And this one at 6 pounds, 10 ounces. And that's kind of a look at it. Ooh. Yeah. I can already see some of the pieces that I've had in other ones as a cameo. That's part of a shoe buckle or a shoe decorating one. But we'll go through this and take a look and see what's here. Some more earrings that were in there. So this will be interesting, I hope.